Hello everybody, today I want to show you how to change color on keyboard. Yeah, so this same simple keyboard. Yeah, so now I want to change color and change font on this keyboard. Okay, now go to App Store and then write Epic font. Yeah, Epic font. Yeah, you see font keyboard. Okay, 27 MB. So now I click get to download. Yeah, wait a moment. Okay, now I click open. Yeah, get start, and then now I check again. Yeah, it's simple keyboard. Okay, now I click open again and then get start, and then keyboard Epic font on and allow full access. Okay, and then go to general and then click keyboard and then keyboard. Yeah, you see my keyboard English emoji and Chinese keyboard and Grammarly and Epic font. Yeah, and then you go to again. Yeah, you see simple keyboard, and then I click this. Yeah, just one, and you click Epic font and you see this. Now I want to change color this keyboard. You just click at left and you see I want red, pink, yellow, blue, just black, white, or a lot. Now I click red keyboard, and then I can write. Yeah, oh, it's so smooth. Okay, now I change font. Okay, I click at this right side, and then I see in this font. Example keyboard KEYO. No, I change more font. The italic. Example keyboard. Yeah, you see italic font. Then you see. Okay, now hope you guys understand about this video. Okay, thank you everyone. Hope you guys like, subscribe my channel. Okay, subscribe for more. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.